There's been a lot of talk this year about worthwhile charities and knowing where your money is going. Well, during the season of giving, we thought we'd highlight one man and his foundation that exemplifies the spirit of generosity. The Little Babyface Foundation is literally changing children's lives from all over the world. For the first 12 years of his life, Terrell Davis lived life as a deaf child, born with no ear or ear canal on his left side and total hearing loss on his right. A lack of medical insurance severely limited his mom Brenda's options. But 2 years ago, when she was diagnosed with colon cancer, she decided she'd once and for all find a way to help her son.
And I just was getting so frustrated because I had become ill. And I just really wanted this thing done before I got very sick.
So when she heard about a local nonprofit organization called the Little Babyface Foundation, she thought it sounded too good to be true. Dr. Thomas Romo is the founder. He treats children born with facial deformities for free. In Terrell's case, it meant building him an ear from a material called porous polyethylene, a technique he designed.
That was the first stage to put this framework in and build him an ear, which has got to last him until he's 80 years old.
He was also able to use technology to let Terrell hear for the first time in his life.
Putting this buttress here and then allowing him to have this sound processor gives him totally normal hearing.
Since the surgery, he's more confident. He's more vocal once he gets comfortable around people. And just his whole self-esteem.
Dr. Romo is a successful plastic surgeon on Manhattan's Upper East Side. Once a year, he'd take a break from nose jobs and breast augmentations to do pro bono reconstructive work on children in underdeveloped countries.
We were operating in facilities that were compromised.
He then had an ambitious idea to change things around.
I'm going to form a foundation where children are actually brought to New York City. We'll put them up for free, and then we will take them to the operating room and do the surgery for free.
In the past 2.5 years, Romo and dozens of other doctors who he's recruited to assist Little Babyface have operated on more than 50 kids from all over the world. His wife Diane, who runs the foundation's day-to-day business, says it's amazing to see the attention these young patients receive.
All the physicians, all the surgeons that are involved in the Babyface Foundation that sit round table, and we all discuss that child. I mean, you can't get that kind of care for a private patient anywhere in Manhattan.
Little Babyface's next case is 3-year-old Omare Greenaway, who was born with a congenital tumor on his face and neck.
This is a tumor. It is a benign tumor, but it will continue to grow out and also grow into deeper structures in the neck. We would prefer to take it out before it gets into that.
I'm kind of nervous and scared, but the outcome, I'm just looking forward to the outcome, knowing that he's going to have a better life and grow up to be much more stronger and healthier.
Terrell's mom, Brenda, says she never knew generous people like Romo actually existed, a compliment he has difficulty accepting.
I look at them like my own kids. I'm happy. I'm proud of him that what he's doing. I'm not the courageous one that has to live with the birth defect and get through it and go to school and be successful. You know, they have to do that.
While all the surgery and treatments are performed for free, there's still tremendous overhead when you consider travel, lodging, and hospital fees, which Little Babyface also pays for. If you'd like any more information about You Can Help Them, their website is right there, littlebabyface.org. I'm also going to post it on our blog a little bit later today, so you can link to it from there. But can I just tell you that you could probably tell Dr. Romo is a big man.
Yeah.
He has an even bigger heart.
Yeah. Oh my
but it's always a little disconcerting when you see such a big man break down in tears when he's talking about those kids, which he does.
Really?
He loves them.
Get emotional. What a great story you did there. And it's so nice to see someone with such talent and privilege and just generosity.
Yeah.
Just really be able to use that talent.
And it's just such a gift. He feels like he has to share it.
Great man. Great foundation as well.
Yes.